Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this double exposure effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to use this video and I am going to remove the background here, auto removal. Go back to basic, go to canvas, and you're going to go to the color one. Select that like white background and then select your video. Go to adjustments and turn down the exposure and contrast and highlight a little bit, as well as the saturation. Then you're going to place a video on top of that, any video that you like to. I'll just use a scenery video like so. Select the video, go to blend mode, and then select overlay. And that's pretty much it really. You can kind of adjust the brightness and stuff like that later on if you'd like to, because this video is pretty dark. So I'm just going to go to exposure here. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!